Welcome back everybody to another new products video here at Northridge 4x4. Today not only are we going to talk about some new products, but we're also going to announce the winner of the Northridge 4x4 hoodie and hat from the last video. And we got another bribe for you, of course. So first product up is the Airlift 1000 polyurethane airbags for the back of the new Gladiator JTs. That's right, these go right into the coil springs. They operate on a 5 psi to 35 psi range, and they will give you up to 1,000 pounds of load leveling capabilities. That's not adding 1,000 pounds of load capacity to your Gladiator, but it'll keep your Gladiator from being squatted down when you have it at the GVW max. So if you don't have an onboard air system, what do you use to run these airbags with? Well, how about the Airlift Wireless One compressor system? It's a great little system that has a wireless controller. That's right, this little controller right here is wireless. Not only is it wirelessly controlled, but there's an app for it. You can get an app from Airlift, put on your phone, and you can run the system with your phone. The compressor in the Wireless One setup is 120 psi with 1 CFM and a 9% duty cycle. Nice little unit. They're designed to work together, but hey, you can use this to run somebody else's airbags too. And speaking of a Bluetooth app, we have the Trigger 6-shooter system. This is a wireless accessory control system. Run your accessories into here, doesn't matter, air lockers, lights, whatever you got, the 6-shooter control it. But it's wireless and it's Bluetooth. So in the cab, you have the wireless switch system. That's right, there's no wires between this and the control unit. And you can also get an app for your phone absolutely free and run all those controls on your phone. The Trigger system is available in a 6-circuit or 4-circuit design, and everything's sealed. The cover over the fuses, O-ring sealed. This unit's waterproof. This is definitely designed for some very heavy duty off-road use. Moving right along, we've got the Oracle bi-LED projection headlights. This is a bolt-in replacement for the Wrangler JL and Gladiator JT. It is 36 watt light with 4,800 lumens total output. There's a 2-year warranty on these, and you do not need to go to the dealer for a re-flash or any sort of extra control unit to make these things work. Bolt them in, wire them up, and you're good to go. And the last of our new products, these are the new front sway bar links from Steer Smarts. These are aluminum, 6061 aerospace aluminum, hard anodized for corrosion resistance. They've got this cool truss looking design, super strong, lightweight, and boy, you can say that nobody else has links that looks like this, that's for sure. These will bolt right into your JK, JL, or JT. No problem at all, and we've got them here at Northridge 4x4. And now on to the fun stuff. Who won the Northridge 4x4 hoodie and hat? Well, as we said in the last video, we were going to throw all those names into a hat and draw them out, and sure enough, we did. And the winner is Philip Sanchez. So congratulations, Philip. Get a hold of us. We'll get you a hoodie and a hat right out to you. And of course, we got a giveaway for you this video. This time we are giving away a set of Rugged Ridge floor liners, heavy duty floor mats to go in your JK or JL. All you have to do is hit that like button, leave us a comment down below. Do you like any of these products? What products would you like to see reviewed in the future? Or what installation videos would you like to see coming up? Really simple. And hey, hit that subscribe button if you haven't yet. Hit that little bell icon next to the subscribe button, and check out all the links for these products in the description box down below. Until next time, thanks Northridge Nation.